The most common reasons for a no crank, no start car. Most common reason include dead or weak battery. A dead or weak battery is a frequent cause. If the battery lacks the power to turn the starter motor, the engine won't crank. Faulty starter motor. A malfunctioning starter motor can prevent the engine from cranking, even with a good battery. Ignition switch issues. Problems with the ignition switch or its electrical connections can disrupt the starting process. Bad starter solenoid. The starter solenoid is responsible for engaging the starter motor. If it fails, the engine won't crank. Neutral safety switch. This switch ensures the car can only start in park or neutral. A malfunction can prevent starting. Anti-theft system. Faults in the car's security system, such as the immobilizer or key fob, can lead to a no-start condition. Wiring or connection problems. Corroded or loose electrical connections, damaged wires, or blown fuses can interrupt the starting circuit. Fuel or ignition system issues. Sometimes, problems in the fuel or ignition systems can make it seem like a no-start condition. Lack of fuel or a malfunctioning ignition component can prevent the engine from running. Faulty clutch pedal switch. Manual transmission. In manual transmission vehicles, a malfunctioning clutch pedal switch can prevent the car from starting. Engine overheating or locked up. In extreme cases, an overheated engine or a seized engine due to mechanical issues can prevent it from cranking. It's crucial to diagnose the specific cause of your no crank, no start issue to determine the appropriate repairs. Consulting a professional mechanic or using diagnostic tools can help identify and resolve the problem.